welcome to Monster Jam Experience Monster Jam. And today, this is a Silent Series 6 World Cup Edition. And yes, it's a World Cup. It's a soccer edition. And who are representing the countries. And plus, their trucks are going to be in. So, without further ado, please subscribe, like this video, and listen your names. Representing United Kingdom, Link Fan Fight 3 and Brutus, one of fan favorites. Representing Japan, Monster Jam Collector Racing and Bakugan Dragon Pickup version. Representing United States of America, Don Astro and Lucas Stabilizer. Representing Canada, Monster Jam Fan 7 and Northern Nightmare. Representing South America, Toucan Plays and Batman. Representing South Korea, Dennis23 in Blue Thunder. Representing Mexico, Monster Jam Fan 0311 in El Toro Loco. Representing Germany, Monster Jam Firestorm in Bad Company. I would say Monster Jam Fan 0311, but it's Monster Jam Firestorm in Bad Company. Representing Africa, Ryan Logan and Zombie. Representing Scotland, Race Grooves in Dragon. Representing Philippines, 5155 Creations in Grave Digger the Legend. From Grave Digger 30th anniversary. Representing China, Ghost Junker and Red Max D. Actually, in fact, it's gonna be the Hot Wheels version of regular version. My bad. Representing France is Mitchell Films Production and Mega Rex, the teal version. Actually, my fact, it's from the double packs. Representing Italy, Monster Jam Curry Gaming and Grave Digger from two double packs. Next one is representing Greece, Zona Monsters and Megadon, Team Screen Megadon. Representing Spain, Monster Jam Fanatic and Flash from the Pie Pack. Representing Ireland, Adventures Racing in Son of a Digger. It's gonna be the I think Series 34. Series 34. Next one is representing Russia, Monster Jam OPM in Bounty Hunter Hot Wheels version. Sweden, representing Sweden is CP Chemo in Tempest Steed. Representing Israel, Aaron 310 Monster Jam in Raising Cane, X-Ray Raising Cane. Representing Middle East, any kind of Middle East, you know. Which is gonna be Jesse McGree and sorry. Sorry, my throat just came out. Representing Middle East, Jesse McGree and Horsepower. Representing New Zealand, Dallas Videos in a Fire Avenger. Representing India, Beast 101 and Predator. Representing Vietnam, Sonic Pro Gamer in Doomsday. And last but not least, representing Indonesia, Beast 102 in Harley Quinn. So, that is going to conclude the Field Trucks of Silent Series number 6 World Cup Edition. So, I'm gonna upload this today, right now, as soon before World Finals starts, and Sunday is the day that Silent Series 6 World Cup Edition will be on that there. So, anyways, the orange truck is back. We're doing outside. We're doing like in evening when before the sun comes down. So more cooler instead of being hot in the sun. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Thank you, True Heavy Metal Son Digger, who helped holding the phone, my phone, and see you guys in Sunday. This is Monster Jam Experience Monster Jam and Sire Series 6 World Cup Edition. Who will be the Sire Series 6 champion? See you guys later and have a good day.